The need for furniture in our lives is deeply rooted in both practical and emotional aspects of human existence. Furniture serves essential functions, providing us with comfort, organization, and utility in our daily routines. It shapes the environments we inhabit, influencing how we interact with our spaces and with each other. Among the various materials used for furniture, what stands out for its unique characteristics, aesthetic appeal, and intrinsic connection to nature. The significance of furniture, particularly wooden furniture, extends far beyond mere utility. It encompasses cultural, psychological, and environmental dimensions that enrich our lives. At its core, furniture fulfills fundamental needs. It provides a place to sit, sleep, eat, and store belongings, forming the backbone of our living environments. Without furniture, spaces would lack the structure necessary for comfort and functionality. The presence of well-designed furniture can transform a house into a home, creating areas for relaxation, socialization, and productivity. As people gather around tables, lounge on sofas, or retreat to comfortable chairs, furniture facilitates connection and interaction, fostering relationships and community. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative and stylish wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to these practical functions, furniture plays a significant role in the organization of our lives. It helps us manage our belongings, creating order in our living spaces. Proper storage solutions can lead to more efficient use of space, minimizing clutter and enhancing the overall aesthetic of a room. When furniture is thoughtfully designed and arranged, it not only contributes to the functionality of space, but also promotes a sense of peace and well-being. The ability to create an organized environment can reduce stress and improve quality of life, underscoring the importance of furniture in our daily experiences. Wood, as a material for furniture, brings with it a rich history and a multitude of benefits that enhance its appeal. For centuries, wood has been a favorite material for crafting furniture due to its availability, versatility, and natural beauty. Each type of wood possesses unique characteristics, from grain patterns and colors to strength and durability, making it suitable for a wide range of design styles and functional purposes. This inherent diversity allows for the creation of pieces that can fit seamlessly into various aesthetics, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. One of the most compelling aspects of wood is its connection to nature. The warmth and organic quality of wooden furniture can evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic materials and urban environments, wooden furniture offers a reminder of the natural world. This connection to nature can have a calming effect on our psyche, promoting relaxation and well-being. Studies have shown that exposure to natural materials can contribute to reduced stress levels and increased feelings of happiness, further highlighting the importance of incorporating wood into our living spaces. Moreover, wood's durability and longevity make it an excellent choice for furniture. High-quality wooden pieces can withstand the test of time, often becoming family heirlooms that are passed down through generations. This durability not only makes wooden furniture a wise investment, but also reflects a commitment to sustainability. In an age where consumerism often leads to disposable products, choosing wooden furniture can promote a more mindful and environmentally responsible approach to living. By investing in well-crafted wooden pieces, individuals support sustainable practices and contribute to a culture that values quality over quantity. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden furniture is another significant factor that enhances its appeal. Skilled artisans often take great care in selecting the right materials and employing traditional techniques to create beautiful and functional pieces. This dedication to craftsmanship can be seen in the attention to detail, the quality of joinery, and the finishing touches that elevate wooden furniture beyond mere utility. Each piece carries the mark of its maker, embodying a sense of artistry and individuality that mass-produced items often lack. This craftsmanship fosters a deeper appreciation for the furniture we choose to bring into our homes, connecting us to the stories and traditions embedded in each piece. In addition to its aesthetic and practical qualities, wooden furniture can also serve as a canvas for personal expression. The variety of styles, finishes, and designs available allows individuals to curate their living spaces in ways that reflect their tastes and lifestyles. The environmental impact of wood as a furniture material is an increasingly important consideration in today's world. As awareness of sustainability grows, more individuals are seeking eco-friendly options for their homes. Responsibly sourced wood, particularly from sustainably managed forests, can be a renewable resource that minimizes ecological harm. When harvested and processed with care, wood can be a sustainable alternative to synthetic materials that contribute to pollution and waste. By choosing wooden furniture from reputable sources, consumers can support sustainable practices and contribute to the health of our planet. The versatility of wood also extends to its adaptability in various settings. Wooden furniture can seamlessly transition from indoor to outdoor spaces, enhancing the functionality of both environments. Outdoor wooden furniture can create inviting patios and gardens, encouraging individuals to spend more time in nature and enjoy the benefits of outdoor living. This versatility encourages a more holistic approach to home design, where the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces are blurred, fostering a deeper connection to the environment. The emotional and psychological benefits of wooden furniture should not be underestimated. Our living environments significantly influence our mental health and well-being. The warmth and natural beauty of wood can create a sense of comfort and security, transforming spaces into sanctuaries where individuals can relax and recharge. In contrast, cold or sterile materials may evoke feelings of discomfort or unease. By incorporating wooden furniture into our homes, we can foster environments that promote relaxation and well-being, ultimately enhancing our quality of life. Moreover, the cultural significance of wood in furniture making cannot be overlooked. Different cultures around the world have their own traditions and techniques for crafting wooden furniture, often reflecting their unique histories and values. This cultural diversity enriches the global landscape of furniture design, offering a wealth of styles and influences that can inspire and inform contemporary practices. By embracing wooden furniture, we can connect with these cultural narratives, appreciating the artistry and craftsmanship that have evolved over centuries. The need for furniture in our lives is multifaceted, encompassing practical, emotional, and cultural dimensions. Wooden furniture, in particular, stands out for its unique qualities and benefits, making it a favored choice for many homeowners. Its versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal contribute to the creation of comfortable and functional living spaces that enhance our daily experiences. The connection to nature that wood provides fosters a sense of tranquility, promoting mental well-being in our increasingly hectic lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative and stylish wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for a modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.